Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Indians have lost over 600 crore rupees in 2024 due to a combination of visa rejections from Schengen and US. And this has been a real problem from the last few years. And Europe has certainly been a dream for me, which I was able to fulfill it last year. But still, many Indians aspire a dream of Europe but not able to visit because of Schengen visa refusals. Many of you have commented, many of you have reached out to me on Instagram asking for cover letters, day-to-day itineraries, and I'm very pleased to say I've helped you guys for a very reasonable price, and you have got your Schengen visas as well. You've pinged me on Instagram, which is very satisfying, to be honest. But I wanted to create this video for getting an awareness among people on the latest updates when it comes to applying for Schengen visa. What are the things you need to keep in your mind? So first of all, the people who have pinged me on Instagram, mostly people who had their visa rejections, have told me that their documentation was perfect, their IT returns was perfect, their pay slips were intact, they have their leave letter from the employer. If they are working in the business, they have their TIN numbers, they have everything properly submitted, they have the sufficient bank balance. A few people have had over 5 lakhs, over 10 lakh rupees, and still they have informed me their visas have got rejected, and most of you guys would have also faced the same thing. If so, please do comment in the comment section. It will help the audience of this video. So guys, mainly my point I want to focus here is when it comes to Schengen visa, you have to be really careful and really proactive. So you might have seen a lot of scam going around Schengen visa, saying people demanding extra money in terms of booking VFS appointments, or people demanding extra money in the form of visa agents telling that they'll prepare Schengen visas for you, you'll 100% get the Schengen visa. So I'll tell you one thing guys, even if the visa agent takes 10 or 15,000 amount and prepares the documentation for you, he does everything for you, at the end of the day, the visa decision is under the consulate. No agent, no one, not VFS, anyone cannot influence the visa, whether it's going to be success or failure. Nobody has that influence, guys. It's totally up to the consulate to decide. They would decide whether they have to grant you the visa or not. Please do keep that in mind. Even if the visa agent prepares you beautiful documentation, hell lot of documentation, still you have to go to VFS or BLS, whichever country you choose, and then you will have to submit your documents, give your fingerprints, verify the document with VFS, and then come out. So I've told this in my previous videos as well. If your visa gets rejected, at least get rejected on your own money. Don't apply or don't go through visa agents. This is my humble request to you guys, because it is not cheap, guys. It is 10,000 rupees on an average for any Schengen country if you want to apply. On top of that, visa agents charge 10 to 15,000 rupees extra. It's like 25,000 rupees for one Schengen visa application. I'll give you a small example. So recently, one of my family members had their Schengen visa rejected, and they had contacted a particular visa agent. Their Schengen visa for Italy got rejected. So when I was applying for Schengen visa, I just asked him the contact number, like I just want to verify something. And I told him, like, I have cover letter, I have itinerary, is my documentation correct, can you validate? He said, send it through email, but our charges is 5,000 rupees to validate the documentation. To validate the documentation, they're charging 5,000 Indian rupees. Now, I have no words to explain. Like 5,000 rupees is the flight cost for a few countries. Few neighboring countries, if you take in account, if you book in well in advance for Malaysia or Thailand, or Sri Lanka, it's approximately 5 or 7,000 rupees if you book up and down. That is the cost for a flight charge, where visa agents are charging so much. So I don't want to make this video too lengthy, guys. So as you can see on my screen, VFS have issued a warning or a statutory saying that this one trick in terms of applying Schengen visas well in advance will save you a lot of time and money. So let me explain this in my terms, what I've understood, to help you guys to get your Schengen visas. So basically, all the Schengen countries, like 28 odd Schengen countries, 96% of these Schengen countries accept visa applications 6 months before you travel. I know there's a few exceptions of countries applying Schengen visas 2 or 3 months in advance. That is still fine, and you can apply your applications through VFS or BLS. For example, Spain doesn't accept applications through VFS, you have to go to BLS. So if you apply 6 months in advance, what's the advantage is, let's say you have a criticality to go to Europe, you have to go to Europe, and you have a family commitment or something, and if you apply visa 6 months in advance, what eventually would happen is it gives you a lot of lead time in terms of giving your application. Even if it gets rejected, you have an option to apply for another country. That's the main advantage. And the second warning, what they've stated is, always go through official VFS links. Now, a lot of people, what they do is, if you go to visa agent, if you tell I don't have slots for Italy next week, can you help me? They'll say, okay, no problem, sir. We'll give you slots tomorrow. Pay us 10,000 rupees extra or any amount extra. So this is a scam, guys. VFS themselves have told, do not contact any agents who are looting money, saying that they'll give you early appointments. If you log into VFS, create your account, and if you see appointment slots are full, nobody can do anything about it. Unless you're a celebrity or a VIP, you have something, you want to represent India or something like that, you will definitely get the slots based on higher approvals. But if you're a normal citizen like me and you will not be able to get on a high level or giving more money. You cannot get appointments at least for Schengen visa. I know for US visa, if someone reschedules, then you have an option to book. But for Schengen visa, you have to pay the money upfront for booking, and some countries like Japan, where you don't have to pay any money for booking an appointment and you can go through. But this has been the major problem. The first reason is apply your Schengen visas well in advance. The second reason is always keep in mind that do not go through any unofficial links or unofficial channels, or do not contact any visa agents. And when you're applying, please verify the documents. I've made a dedicated video on what are the mandatory documents to apply for a Schengen visa. Please follow my videos, guys. It's all very clear. All the videos are there. A lot of people have commented saying, I got my Schengen visa, I've watched your videos and I've successfully got it. It really feels very good if someone says that, because they've not gone through visa agent, they've saved their own money and they've applied Schengen visas on their own and they've got it. So this is a real achievement, guys. Like I told you in my previous example, just to verify the documents, whatever I have, they're charging 5,000 rupees. So that's how they loot money. That's how the scamsters lure you into giving money. I hope this video was very informative, guys. I could have spoken for 2 or 3 minutes extra, but this video is going to be too lengthy. So I hope you got the point. Always be proactive when you're applying for Schengen visas. I'll catch you guys in my next video.